tunay na labanan, balitang boxing, pag-uusapan.
Napakatunog at talagang pinag-uusapan itong halimaw ng Mindanao, ang binansagang Canelo Alvarez ng Pilipinas. Binulabog niya ang super middleweight division gamit ang kamaong parang pinagsamang kanan at kaliwa ni Pacquiao dahil bawat suntok may kasamang bagsak. Walang iba kundi ang undefeated hard puncher na si Yumir Marcial ng Zamboanga. Isang southpaw, may 5 malinis na kartadang panalo, 3 knockouts, isang Olympic bronze medalist at gold medalist sa Southeast Asian Games. Naninirahan na at nag-training sa Amerika. Ngunit patuloy pa rin ito lumalaban sa amateur para sa ating bansa para sa Olympics. Sa bawat laban, unti-unti niyang pinatunayan na siya ay isang babala sa mga champions sa division. Ayon sa mga analyst, kapag tuluyan na siyang nag-focus sa pro boxing, kayang-kaya raw ni Marcial na magtala ng 30 wins o 30 knockouts at walang talo. Ngayong Hulyo 19, 2025, WBC Championship ni Manny Pacquiao versus Mario Barrios, kasama si Marcial sa undercard. Sa mismong MGM Grand Garden Arena, Las Vegas, ang makakaharap ni Marcial, ang pambato ng Amerika, si Bernard Joseph, may 11 panalo, 5 dito ay knockouts at 2 talo bilang kapalit sa Mexicano na si Alexis Gaitan. Hindi ito madaling laban para sa ating Pinoy dahil si Joseph nagmula ito sa 5 magkasunod na panalo at sa baluarte pa nito ginanap ang laban. Upang tayo ay malinawan kung gaano ba kalakas si Marcial, panoorin natin ang kanyang laban kontra sa kilabot na knockout artist na si Troed Saxinam. May 24 na panalo, 20 knockouts at kung saan nagmula pa ito, sa 5 magkasunod na panalo lahat ay kanyang pinabagsak. Sa pagbungad ng unang round, mabagal ang panimula ng 2 boxers na parehong may lakas ang mga suntok.
Tawag natin dito, the homecoming.
See him in live, because most of the fight, the size of Marcial, of course, and
That right this fight to keep his opponent guessing. But yung amateur record when he was 12 years old, he has compiled 74 wins and 21 losses as an amateur.
alam mo, nung Tokyo Olympics ganito,
You know, we were talking about how Sinam looks like he's 175 pounds. But you take a look at the
Pagsapit ng round 2, tumama na ang mga suntok ni Marcial sa bodega. Pistadong nasaktan dito ang Thai champion.
na kailangan ilaban mamaya.
and they're going to be good ones. They're going to be good fights. Now you also notice that a change of power shots here by Yumir Marcial. He's throwing that left hand a little bit more than in the first round. Yung left straight. At parang nararamdaman mo mas maliin ngayon.
Alam mo, I'm sure naman the Thai knows the credentials nito si...
And now he's up against probably, arguably, the most hardy opponent he's ever faced. The toughest opponent ever.
Marcial began to unschool some of his repertoire. He's picking his location on the good man. By the time raising the chin. So much.
Hindi malaman ni Sinam kung saan gagawin mo sa ito.
Sinam felt that power and now defensively Sinam.
But Yumir Marcial is taking his time. He's not rushing things.
Discerning.
Oh, in that situation, ordinarily you would attack your opponent and try to finish.
gitna itong Thai fighter.
Absolutely, what's happening here? The left on the cheek.
Tutulis ang jab ni Yumir Marshall. Sa right hand is actually through that defense ni Sinam. Dapat kumatakas si Yumir sa katawan. I think that's gonna be a very vulnerable spot here for Sinam.
There's a kidney area. 1-2 on target. 1-2 again on target. Sinam back in a minute ago.
That was a shot to the side of the body na hihintay natin. And another one.
And the left hand on the chin of Sinam.
You notice, that left hand, that left hook is going through the defense ni Sinam. After Yumir hits him with the right to the side of the body.
Bumababa yung kamay.
Exactly. To defend the side of the body, bumubuka yung kanyang depensa, and that exposes his face for a left hook ni Yumir Marshall.
Half a minute remaining here. And the third, we're scheduled for 8. The third, we're scheduled for 8. No championship in this one.
Again, inutusok-tusok ni Yumir Marshall ang kanyang kalaban.
Round 4, dito na natikman ni Sinam ang bangis ng halimaw ng Mindanao.
Marshall, at gigil na nga itong pabagsakin ang kalabang Thai fighter.
It depends on what condition he'll be in after this fight. He might just go straight to maybe a hospital. Chiseled. Very much chiseled. Yeah, you can see that he's ready. But, the big challenge for Yumir is how to bring up his power and speed to a much higher weight category.
Hindi na malayo yung Olympics na July na di ba?
He weighed 100.
4 months ago.
Yes.
4 months away na yan.
He weighed 165 pounds for this. And in the Olympics, the weight limit is 176.4. That's a lot of weight that he needs to put on. You cannot put on body fat. You can only put on muscle for you to be able to keep.
Mula sa kaliwat ka ng kombinasyon ni Marshall, bagsak si Sinam dahil sa lakas para itong nahampas na maso, diretso tulog kung saan kailangan pang tulungan upang makahinga. Nakuha ni Marshall ang knockout na panalo at pinag-uusapan ito sa dibisyon. Sa inyo namang palagay, sapat na ba itong pinakita ni Marcia upang maging world champion? Pag-usapan natin yan sa baba at isama na rin ang inyong lugar para makita natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta ng mga Pinoy kay Marshall sa laban kontra Joseph ngayong July 19 sa Las Vegas.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.